What's up guys, Alec here, and today Instagram have released a couple of new features which involve their stories. 2 days ago, Instagram released several new features including new stories integration with apps like Spotify and Gopro. So if you're a Spotify user, you can tap the respective share button straight from within Spotify to send your content to Instagram. You can then edit this and add it to your story or send it as a direct message to someone. The Spotify integration allows you to share a sticker of your song, playlist or album that you're currently listening to with a link to play the music on Spotify. The link is displayed in the top left hand corner, and when you tap on it, it will open up in Spotify. I think this feature has a lot of potential and it's really good if you're a musician sharing your own work from Spotify. Now if you have a GoPro and you use the GoPro app, you can now share your content straight to Instagram, which lets you upload your action shots directly into your stories. You can also quickly recenter and cut the video to the portion you want to share. Instagram notes that you don't have to connect your Instagram account or other apps to share on stories. And the company says more apps will be adding the share to stories integration soon. So that's the video for today guys. I just wanted to quickly share with you these new features. I also want to know what you think of them. I really like the Spotify one, and I think for GoPro users it's going to be really useful as well. But I want to know what you think. Are you going to use them? Do you not like these features, or are you not bothered? Thanks for watching. Peace out.